Psychosomatic illness is a real thing. What it means is that our mind makes our body sick. And our mind does that because we are so stressed. The mind puts so much pressure on the body, we actually physically get sick. So we can't just ignore stress. We can't think, oh, I can just fluff that off, I'll just keep going. No, you can't get away with that because the body will break down. Now, we didn't know about psychosomatic illnesses until relatively recently in human history, but we know about it today, and the science proves that this is a real thing. So don't neglect dealing with your stress. Don't just think, oh, I'll just fluff that away. I'm not going to pay attention to it. I'm not going to work on reducing my stress. I'll just keep pushing through. You'll push through into a hospital bed is what will happen. We don't want to go there. So take your stress seriously. Think about what you can do to reduce it and get to work on that.